Alright, so today we're doing a different type of video. It's gonna be more of a vlog. Today I have to go film for Hots and Motors, and I want to show you guys the new truck that they're gonna be giving away because I think it deserves a video. This thing is sick. Now it's not a Jeep, but you guys are still gonna like it. Anyways, right now I just got off work. You guys didn't know I do HVAC as like my main job, so I just got done with that. Now I gotta go drop off these packages that you guys have ordered on najaroffroad.com, so I appreciate you guys. And if you didn't know, go on najaroffroad.com. We are doing a lift kit giveaway since you guys helped me hit 20K on YouTube, and you don't have to buy anything. You just go click the link, sign up. It's gonna ask for your name, email, phone number. That way I can contact you if you are the winner, and yeah, don't miss out. Anyways, let's go to Hots and Motors and let's go check out that truck. First things first, I gotta get gas. I don't know if you guys are like me, but my Jeep's always on empty. Let's go. What are you doing,
Stopper.
dude?
I am adjusting the timing and idle on this 12 valve. Or is it a P pump? It's a P pump.
That sounds
VE
fun.
pump. Oh, it's a blast.
Sean streams, so if you guys want to watch his stream, what do you play, dude?
I play Genshin Impact.
I'll have his channel linked down below, so make sure to go support. Hey, we got Jaime over here. That's the OG right here. You're gonna be on my YouTube channel, right?
Heck yeah.
That's the OG. What are you doing? Cleaning it up?
No, we had a busted hose and it was just raining hydraulic fluid.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, no kidding.
All right, so this is inside the Land Cruiser. We got Dakota digital gauges, which look freaking sick. And this thing's driving good, dude.
Freaking awesome. Actually.
Yeah.
It does great.
So what kind of motor does it have?
This is an R28 Cummins with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and
Yeah.
it's just cruising.
Yeah, this thing is so nice.
For a big truck too, we're doing 75 miles an hour, easy, light throttle input, just completely happy.
Yeah, and you got CarPlay.
Oh yeah, we talk about that.
We got CarPlay. Yeah, so right now we are heading to the trail, and that way we can film. So yeah, right now we were filming driving impressions. So just driving the truck around, what it feels like on the street, on the freeway, and next is the trail. All right, so we are overlanding in the Toyota because that's what you do in a Toyota.
What you do to overlanding. This is overlanding for sure.
But we got the dirt trail. This thing is surprisingly comfortable. You said it has coil springs all around, right?
Coil springs on
So all four corners, yeah. This is pretty comfortable. Not as comfortable as my Jeep, but no, it's a good rig.
This is nice.
Yeah, so we're gonna pull over to film the walk around. All right, so we found a decent spot. We got Sterling over there. What up, Sterling? He's cleaning it up, taking all the dust off from coming up here. But yeah, look at that view though. We got Riley taking pictures. I forgot to record, but we've been filming this whole time. So this is pretty much what we do. He's taking pictures, I'm recording. We're about to get the drone in the air. But yeah, this is one of my jobs. And then I gotta go home and edit it and have it ready in a week. How do you think the photo shoot went?
Great, I'm freezing.
It's freaking cold.
So cold.
I have 2 sweaters on right now, 2 hoodies.
I gotta look fashionable for the videos.
Yeah, dude, this thing looks so sick with the background. This is a new trail we found today because there was cops at the other trail. So, but I mean, look at that. That's beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about it. I know this is a Jeep page and this is Toyota, but got to give props when it's new. Oh, you hit the freaking roof rack. I got that on camera. What a loser. He's stuck. We're childlike.
I went straight up.
Dude, you hit the freaking roof rack.
I went straight up and it went backwards. What the heck?
I think it's good now, right?
You better move it.
Yeah, I put it over there.
That's not good enough.
Further?
No, I'm kidding.
Okay. All right, now we got a good takeoff.
It went backwards. What the heck?
Guys, we got UFOs in the air. Where are they from? This is how it goes, pretty much for a photo shoot. So like I said, I'm wearing 2 hoodies. It's freezing right now. But anyways, this is the terrain that we have here in Vegas, or near Vegas. Oh, I'm over here tripping. But anyways, all it is like very desert like. Those mountains over there, they're just rocks. Like, it's not something that you're gonna drive up. That's, people go rock climbing up there. This isn't a place where you're gonna go up the mountains to off-road. Most of the trails here are just like washboards, very rocky terrain, which is honestly not, it doesn't seem that fun, but whatever. California has like the forest and all that. That's a little bit more my style, but. So this is what we're gonna be exploring this year. Definitely gonna be taking the Jeep out now that it's pretty much to my liking. But yeah, what do you guys think? This is Nevada for you. I'm not hating on Nevada terrain. Like, this is cool, but it's just different, you know? But yeah, this is definitely one of those jobs where I'm having fun doing it, you know? I mean, wouldn't you want to be filming this all day instead of working in the HVAC? We got the drone shots, let's go.
Let me put my hits.
Look at those gauges, those look so sick. And you were saying that those are canvas, right? So It's just connected to the wires?
Yeah, it's connected to 2 wires. I mean, you obviously have to put power and ground to it, and then you gotta hook up like your turn signals and stuff like that because the Toyota isn't on CAN bus.
Okay.
But like if the Toyota had a CAN bus system and its turn signals were in here, it would all just tie in.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah.
Shout out to Dakota Digital. So yeah, we recorded that Land Cruiser, which I think is sick. I might do a walk around video if you guys want, but this was just a quick video of like what I do in a day kind of thing. Obviously, there's a lot that I wasn't recording because I was busy recording the videos for the Land Cruiser and doing all that. So you guys didn't get everything, but you guys got some of it. And there is a full walk around on Hodson's YouTube channel if you guys want to check that out. But also, don't forget to go on NajarOffroad.com. We are doing a lift kit giveaway. Don't miss out. Like, this is pretty dope. And honestly, not a lot of people have signed up for it. So make sure you guys go on there, sign up. I think later this week, we're gonna have a banger of a video for you guys. You guys are gonna like it, just trust me on that. And I'm gonna try to post 2 more videos this week. I don't know if I will be able to, but I'm gonna try. Just so I could promote that lift kit giveaway since not a lot of you guys have signed up, and I'm doing it for you guys so you guys can get a dope lift kit on your Jeep. So make sure to, you know, share the videos and tell your friends about it if they have a Jeep WJ. But yeah, we will have a video installing these pod lights with these sick Broachworks fabrication mounts. They'll be coming soon. These things are so sick. They just look so different, and I don't know if I can show you guys, but I painted it wrinkle black and it came out so dope. If you guys have ever wanted to spray paint something like mounts like this, wrinkle black paint, it just looks really good. I bought it to do my valve covers, which I haven't done yet. And I also have something dope for the valve covers too. I just have a lot going on, honestly, but I'm just trying to actually create more videos for you guys to watch, new stuff. Like I said, my goal for this year is to come out with a lot more videos. So I do have a lot of stuff behind the scenes that I'm working on. So be on the lookout for that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Get to know me a little bit better. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.